Hello and welcome back to a sewing tutorial. Today I'll be showing you a simple and effective way to fix an elastic band to a trouser. This method is neat, durable and perfect for beginners and professionals alike. First, measure the waist circumference of the trouser and add 1 inch extra for joining. For this tutorial, after measuring the waist circumference of the trouser, I got 43.5 inches. So I added 1 inch to it, making it 44.5. So I cut a long strip of fabric 44.5 inches long and 4 inches wide. So on fold, it's going to give you 2 inches. I hope you understand. Just look at the video and you see what I am saying. So after you've done that, you secure the two ends together and you cut out your elastic. So for this tutorial I made use of 26 inches long. In this tutorial I made use of the 1 inch elastic band. So the next thing is to secure the elastic inside the band. Just look at the video and you see what I'm doing. So I secured the elastic inside the band with a sewing machine. Please, when doing this, try as much as possible not to stitch on the elastic. So just try and push the elastic inside the band while stitching. So the next thing is to use an office pin to hold the band and the trouser together. It's just to secure it in and put it in place. I like doing this. It makes it easier for me when stitching the band and the trouser together. So just look at the video and see what I'm doing. So I'm done securing it together with a pin, and the next thing is to go to the sewing machine and sew it together on my sewing machine, to secure it together on my sewing machine with 1/2 inch. So I'm securing together with 1/2 inch sewing allowance. And that's it. You successfully fixed an elastic band to your trouser. So what I'll just do is to interlock the inner part. That's where I stitch together, and we've actually successfully fixed the elastic band to a trouser. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more sewing tips and tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.